Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can select the right Python interpreter for your projects in VS Code. For example, I have two Pythons in my PC, Python 3.12 and Python 3.11.7. For example, if I install some library in my Python 3.12 and I will type here Python 3.12 -m pip install. For example, I'm going to install pydub. If I press enter, as I have already installed the pydub, now I'm going to use this library in my VS Code. The problem here is if you choose the wrong interpreter and you are using the library for the Python 3.12.7 and your VS Code is set to the Python interpreter 3.11. So what will happen if I import this library that I have installed in Python 3.12? My VS Code is unable to find this library and I will get these suggestions here. And for example, if I use this library later down in my code and I type pydub and I press dot, it will not show any suggestions or the list of the methods that pydub has. So this is the problem because I have set the wrong Python interpreter for my VS Code. I have chosen the Python 3.11 as a Python interpreter for my VS Code. So how you can change it to Python 3.12? So for this, you can simply go into the view and you can open the command palette, and here you can search simply interpreter and you have to click on the Python select interpreter. As right now I have select Python 3.11.7 as my interpreter. So if I will choose this one, Python 3.12.7, that I have installed from the Microsoft Store because I have installed the pydub library in this Python. And you can also switch to the virtual environment if you are using the virtual environment for your projects. But right now I am selecting this Microsoft Store Python 3.12 in which I have installed the pydub library. If I click on this, now my VS Code has select Python 3.12 as my interpreter. As you can see here, the yellow line under the pydub is gone. Now my VS Code is using the Python 3.12.7 as interpreter. Now if I type pydub and I press dot, you will see the list of the methods that pydub has. In this way, you can choose the right interpreter. So this is it for today. If you want to learn more skills, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.